Welcome back to Getting Se&y Back, your ultimate destination for transforming your health journey into an exciting adventure. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of superfoods. Are they really as super as they claim to be? From acai to quinoa, we'll explore the science behind these nutrient-packed powerhouses and see if they deserve the hype. So grab your smoothie and let's get started. First, let's clarify what we mean by superfoods. These foods are often marketed as nutrient-dense and especially beneficial for health. But what makes them super? Superfoods typically contain high levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For instance, kale is renowned for its high vitamin K content, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Quinoa is a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. But here's the kicker. The term superfood isn't a scientific classification. It's a marketing term. While these foods are nutritious, they aren't magical. Let's dig deeper into the science behind superfoods to understand their real benefits. Now let's delve into the science. Research shows that superfoods can provide impressive health benefits. For example, blueberries are loaded with antioxidants called flavonoids, which may help reduce inflammation and support brain health. A study published in Nature found that regular blueberry consumption can enhance cognitive function in older adults. Chia seeds are another superfood worth mentioning. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Just 2 tablespoons contain about 11 grams of fiber. And don't overlook broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable known for its cancer-fighting properties. It contains sulforaphane, a compound that may help eliminate cancer-causing substances from the body. But remember, the benefits often come from consuming these foods as part of a well-rounded diet, rather than relying solely on them. Let's see how they compare to more common foods. So how does superfoods stack up against regular foods? Is quinoa truly superior to brown rice? Or can we find similar benefits in good old oats? Let's break it down. Quinoa is praised for being a complete protein, while brown rice is an excellent source of fiber and can be beneficial for heart health. However, brown rice is also lower in calories and can be easier to incorporate into a variety of dishes. Similarly, apples, bananas, and sweet potatoes may not carry the superfood label, but they are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. A medium apple contains about 4 grams of fiber and vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. So, while superfoods can be beneficial, don't underestimate the power of everyday fruits and vegetables. The key is variety and balance. Let's talk about how to make the most of these foods in your diet. Marketing plays a huge role in the popularity of superfoods. With terms like super, miracle, and cure-all, it's easy to be misled. Companies often promote these foods as if they can single-handedly boost your health. But that's not the whole story. Take acai berries, for example. While they are rich in antioxidants, many products containing acai are loaded with sugar and other additives. It's crucial to read labels and understand what you're really buying. So the next time you're tempted to splurge on the latest superfood craze, ask yourself, what's the real nutritional value? Focus on a diverse range of whole foods instead of chasing trends. Now that we've explored what superfoods are and how they compare to regular foods, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily diet. Recipe 1. Superfood Smoothie. Start your day with a delicious superfood smoothie. Here's a quick recipe. 1 cup spinach, rich in iron and vitamins. 2 1/2 banana, great for potassium. For 1 cup frozen blueberries, antioxidants galore. Pair 1 tablespoon chia seeds for omega-3s. 5. 1 cup almond milk, or any milk of choice. Blend until smooth and enjoy a nutrient-packed breakfast. Recipe 2. Quinoa salad. For lunch, try a vibrant quinoa salad. 1 cup cooked quinoa. 2 1/2 cup diced cucumber. 3 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes. To 1/4 cup feta cheese, optional. 5. A handful of arugula. 6. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice for dressing. This salad is not only filling, but also a fantastic source of protein and vitamins. Remember, small changes can make a significant impact. Whether it's blending up a superfood smoothie or adding kale to your dinner, aim to include a variety of colorful foods on your plate. Thanks for joining us on this superfood journey. While incorporating these nutrient-dense foods can be a fantastic addition to your diet, they're not a magic bullet. The real secret to health is a balanced and varied diet rich in whole foods. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Share your favorite superfood recipes in the comments below. Remember, your health is a journey, not a destination. Stay healthy and keep getting sexy back.
Welcome to a journey of health and vitality. In today's fast-paced world, staying energized and healthy can feel like an uphill battle. But what if the key to optimal wellness was simpler than you think? Introducing Superfood Power. a complete nutrition guide to boost energy, brain health, and well-being. This book is your ultimate guide to unlocking the incredible potential of superfoods, nature's gift to our health. With endless dietary options and wellness trends, it's easy to feel lost. But superfoods are here to help. These nutrient-rich foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your immune function, enhance mental clarity, and boost your energy levels. From ancient civilizations to modern research, superfoods have proven their worth. They're not just a trend. They're the cornerstone of a balanced lifestyle that helps protect against chronic illnesses and promotes longevity. So what makes superfoods so special? They're densely packed with nutrients and unique compounds like antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. These powerhouse ingredients can help you increase your energy, improve digestion, enhance cognitive function, support weight loss, and the science backs it up. Did you know that chia seeds are loaded with fiber and omega-3s for heart health? Or that turmeric's active compound curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory? Blueberries are rich in antioxidants linked to improved brain function and slowed aging. Superfood Power breaks down the nutritional benefits of each superfood, shows how they work together in your body, and offers delicious, easy-to-make recipes to incorporate them into your daily life. Transform your health journey. Embrace the power of superfoods and discover how they can enhance your well-being and vitality. Grab your copy of Superfood Power today and unlock the secrets to a vibrant, energetic life. Visit https://books2read.com/b/superfoods for your copy today. Your journey to wellness starts here.